We are at 167 West Catagena Parkway in Saratoga Springs, Utah. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit for rent through Home River Group. Coming up into the home, straight ahead there is a little coat closet. And through here we have the main hallway. On the right is going to be the half bathroom. And coming back out into the hallway, we have the single car garage to the left. This car does include a driveway that is available for tenant use, as well as plenty of off-street parking available for guest use. We have the kitchen here with the stainless steel appliances. And this kitchen also includes a pantry. We also have a little dining area. And the living room. Through this door back here, we have the fully fenced backyard. And coming back into the home, we're going to head upstairs. Going up the stairs, you'll see there is a small loft area up here and to the right. And coming around, we'll see the laundry room. Straight ahead, we have the master suite. And this master suite does include a large walk-in closet. It has quite a bit of shelf space. Headed back around, we're going to come out to the balcony that is attached to the master suite. This home is located with quick access to Redwood Road in Saratoga Springs and all of the shopping and dining that includes. Through here, we have the master bathroom. And back around, we have the shower and tub, as well as additional storage in the bathroom. To the left, we have the second full bathroom. And a linen closet. This home has quite a bit of extra storage space. Coming through here, we have the second large bedroom that also has quite a bit of closet space. And lastly, the third bedroom. This home also has a large unfinished basement that is available for tenant use. That just adds to the amount of storage available in this unit. If you would like to see more or have any questions, please contact Home River Group at 801-349-2585, or please visit our website at saltlakecity-propertymanagement.com.